It is a chili cheeseburger with onion rings and pickled jalapeno peppers on it. Yes! These are just, grocery store bought, battered onion rings. I bought Nathan's, the hot dog joint. Throw those in the oven at 425 till they're super crispy and delicious. See you later, O-rings. Back on over here, we're gonna start with the chili sauce. It makes an equally delicious chili cheese dog if you wanna go really freaky deaky and put it on a hot dog instead. In the pan, I already have 1 large jalapeno pepper, 1 onion, cooking out with some lean ground beef. I like a nice ground sirloin, about an 80-20 mix. To that, once the beef has browned and the onion is sweat out with just salt and pepper in the pan, we're gonna add a fat palmful of chili powder. Stir in your chili powder and start toasting that up. Then add best friends, cumin and coriander. They like to go everywhere together. Cumin is nice and smoky, coriander is nice and bright. Half a palmful of each. Stir that around. One of my favorite ingredients, smoked sweet paprika or pimenton. About 1/3 of a palmful of that. Then we're gonna hit it with a half a bottle of lager. And then to our chili sauce, some fire roasted tomatoes. Diced, crushed, whatever they got on the shelf. 1 14-ounce can of that. And that's our smoky chili topping for our chili cheeseburgers. Come on back, we'll make some burgers right after this. Chili sauce cooking out for our chili cheeseburgers with onion rings and pickled jalapenos. In the bowl here, I have ground sirloin. So we started with 1 pound for our chili sauce. We've got 1.5 pounds for 4 large burgers for the patty itself, the burger that sits underneath the chili. We're gonna take our rings off so we can get in there. Now, when it comes to burgers, my mom, when I was a little girl, always put a little grated onion in the burger. I love Worcestershire sauce. So a fat douse of that, a couple tablespoons of Worcestershire. So thinner in the center, thicker at the edges. Get them in the skillet. We'll flip our patties and, that sounded dirty. We'll flip our patties and put our cheese on right after this. This is how we roll, babies. We're putting our patties on our lightly toasted brioche buns. Some good looking buns and patties. Doesn't that sound filthy? This is one sexy little burger. Then we're going to top that with our chili. Oh yeah, chili sauce. Get in there and get messy. And then we're going to take that and we're gonna put on some crispy onion rings. Yes. You're right there with me. You sound filthy too. And then we're gonna top that with some of those pickled jalapenos. Yes. Oh, and then put our little hats on.